there to turn left and leave Liechtenstein. Welcome, Willkommen
In 200
Switzerland.
left.
So we've just arrived in Grindelwald. Can't say that very well. It's all green, it's beautiful. The best thing is that that's the Eiger. Are we going to climb up the Eiger? No. Oh, right. There's a waterfall over there, another mountain. Whoa, we're just sorting out logistics for tomorrow. Got a couple of beers now. And I can't sit like that because I can see right up your thing. Sit back, have a couple of beers and work out how I can scare myself to death tomorrow by going as high as we can on a cable car. Conditions here today. Eiger anticipation. Yes, there's the Eiger.
I'm sure it is.
It is, that's the Eiger. That's the North Face, which is a new film that's out, documenting two climbers from the 30s. And our trip today takes us beyond the Eiger sanction, up the cable car, up a train to the highest train station in the world. Europe. Oh, it's been downgraded.
I don't know, it might be the world.
Yeah.
It's the highest accessible point in Europe.
Right, okay. You see, I've done the research. The temperature down here is around about 27, 28 at midday. And up there, it can be anything from -7 to 2. Still got my shorts on, because I'm from up north. Another beautiful day in Grindelwald. God, I can't speak. It's because of it. I've drank 8 Starkhazen beers. I probably said that wrong as well.
Yeah.
Starkenberger. Yep.
A warm welcome to the world's most modern tri-cable gondola. We will reach the Eiger Glacier Station in 15 minutes. Until then, enjoy the breathtaking view of the Eiger North Face and the stunning mountain landscape. A German-Austrian team succeeded in climbing it for the first time in 1938. It took them 3 days, but today, the fastest ascent of the face takes less than 2.5 hours.
Ugh.
If you want to climb the highest North Face in the
I wouldn't
Alps,
climb it.
you have to be fit. After all, 1,800 meters of elevation over a climbing distance of around 4 kilometers, alternating between ice fields and bare rock, demands a great deal from even trained summit climbers.
If you do get the train, it says get 15 minutes early, which actually means get to the station, which means it's a 15-minute journey on a cable car. So we cut it very fine, but we've made it. This is what they call the 5-minute stop. It's a viewpoint. No, we're quite high now. Let's go.
Is that it?
Yeah. Oh, that's cold. Well done.
Yeah, well done.
So we're walking down the tunnel to go outside, and I'm seeing how long I can last with the t-shirt on.
I think you'll be alright.
Yeah, I mean, it's...
7 degrees it said, didn't it?
Did it? No, it's just above freezing. Oh, good. Not entirely sure what's going on in here. It's all quite disorientating. It's a nice picture.
Yeah.
Are you feeling no
dizzy.
oxygen?
Yeah, a bit dizzy to be honest.
Okay. Did you hear me say to that guy, make your mind up, what are you doing? Oh, sorry.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, it was bloody annoying, bumbling around in front of me. Oh, temperature. It's gone up 6.1. Still in my t-shirt. This is also home to the highest COVID in Europe. And it's just shit. Right, mate? I'll wait in for something to eat. Let's go and throw a snowball.
I'm here.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to pull the same face.
Oh. Jesus. The highest altitude cave in Europe. I don't know if you can explore it. Be a good place to put your cheese though, wouldn't it?
Yes.
The temperature has dropped to, that's a minus figure now. Oh. And still got my t-shirt on in the ice palace. Well, you're walking like
I don't. You know why?
a numpty.
I'm not going any faster.
That's not ice, surely.
It's still slippery.
As your first polar bear. If you took a little piece off that, it'd taste like a fox's glacier mint.
Oh yeah. Well, yeah. That's what they advertise.
Yeah. Service, please. May I have an iced tea? Down in the depths. Here we are. Jesus. Somebody's just fell over behind. Are you there, Nasha?
Yeah.
I don't know which way. Have you got claustrophobia?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Because it gets darker. Conditions here today. We've lost the weather. What's that, Nasha?
Snowing? Well, it's not. There's snow.
It's snowing. We've come to the top of the highest
Jungfrau.
Jungfrau in Europe. That has gone right down me bloody top.
Oh. I didn't expect to be walking in snow
No.
today. It's 30 degrees yesterday.
30 degrees down to 3 degrees. Do you know any 3 degree songs? Amazing. It is actually not too bad. I've still got my t-shirt on.
Oh, don't. It's not that cold actually.
No, alright, don't tell everybody.
Oh.
Plateau. 3,475 metres.
It's gorgeous here. And do you know what? In the sun, I can't believe how warm it actually is. Oh.
It's about 20 degrees now, isn't it?
Feels it. Ah.
Get some of that down your top. Got the feeling we're on top of the world.
That looks higher though.
Oh, for God's sake. How much is it to get up that one? Absolutely beautiful views. And all the way down there, and I appreciate it doesn't come up on the camera, is Grindelwald. And that looks a hell of a long way.
What are the lights?
Oh, I don't know. Is it a vineyard? Ooh. I tell you what, I think I can start smoking again.
Menthols. Chin
Chin
chin.
chin.
North by Southwest, sponsored by Any Beer.
Down in
Any
one.
beer.
Down in one.
Don't be ridiculous. Go to your head.
Three, two, one. Ready?
Yeah. Ready for takeoff. In a minute. Any
Pre-
minute now.
press the button.
Where is it?
Press
I can't
it.
find it,
It's under your
Where's the
feet.
button?
It's under your bloody seat.
Oh, don't
Oh,
worry about it.
Jesus
Found it.
Christ. Oh. I feel less sick on this one. It's either very quiet and my ears just haven't popped. press the brake. Asha.
Oh,
The brake.
where's the button?
The button. Forget to press the bloody brake. Jesus.
Oh, found it. There we go.
That was a temperature extreme extravaganza. So it's now about 29 degrees, having come off the top of the cable thing up there. So I think we deserve another beer for making it down.
You're a cunt.
What did he say?
He called you a cunt
Why?
because you had a picture of him.
Just land in someone's garden, I suppose. Oh, or on this path.
Is it this one or that one?
Which hill did you come off? Did you come off the Eiger?
Yeah.
Oh, good man. That's the way to get off a mountain. There's another fella up there making his way down. We've had a couple of drinky poos, a few drinks in the afternoon, and a very leisurely walk back to the van. And it is leisurely, isn't it? How long has it taken us to get back?
No idea. I think I've dropped time actually.
So have I.
Good. That means you're on holiday. The hills are alive with the sound of music.
Couple of spins, please.
No.
I'm the director.
I've had too
Spin.
much drink.
Absolutely, you're sacked. Einstein's house. Hi everyone. Have you got the cheese you wanted?